Hello students, today we will start the chapter 2 in grammar, common and proper nouns. I have already explained about the nouns. What is noun? Nouns are also called naming words. The things, everything that we see around us has a name. I told it before you also. Again I am telling that everything that you look around you that has a name, like your name, your parents' name, your friends' name, your relatives' names, name of the places like Jaunpur, Varanasi, Mumbai, etc. Many are there. Animals like cat, dogs, goat, cow, and many more. And things like TV, fridge, almirah, chair, table, bottle, glass, everything has a name, and these names are called nouns or naming word. We can call it naming word and we can also call it nouns. Here some examples are also given. You can see this and you can understand. Number 1, the spectator cheered the players. The spectators, those who are watching. So spectator cheered whom they cheered to players. Players is a name and spectator, it is also a name, so it is a noun. We have a huge tree in our garden. We have a huge tree. You know, name of plant, tree, and garden, name of place, so it will be also a noun. Number 3, the hens were packing for worms. Hens, it is the name of animal, and worms, it is also name of insects, so it is also a name, so these are also nouns. I made a salad for lunch. What I made? I made salad. Salad is the name of dish, so it will be what it will be? It will be noun. And lunch, what is lunch? Lunch, we take lunch in the afternoon, so it is also a what it is? Yes, it is also noun. Now all the word in blue are nouns. They are common nouns. They are called common noun. How you will know now that it is common noun or proper noun? For that I am going to tell you something. Just look at here. Noun have two parts. In your syllabus here, two parts of the nouns have been given. One is common nouns and one is proper noun. What is common noun? Common noun means, noun I told you it is a naming word. And what is common noun? Common noun is any place, anything, any people, or any animal name. They are called common noun. Like if I will say boy, it can be any boy. If I will say fort, it can be any fort. If I will say car, it can be any car. If I will say dog, it can be any dog. My dog, your dog, anyone's dog. So when these type of nouns will be there, they are called common nouns. But when we will give them a specific name, like I will give name to the boy Ram, so Ram will become proper noun. If I'll give Red Fort to the fort, so Red Fort, it is a proper noun. Honda City, what is the name of the car? Honda City. Then Honda City will be proper noun. Jimmy, I will give the dog name Jimmy. Jimmy can be a special dog. Jimmy cannot be Tommy. Tommy cannot be Jimmy. So Jimmy is a common noun. Jimmy is a proper noun. So these are the example of the proper noun, and before it I have told you boy, fort, car, dog, these are common nouns. And one more things are there, that how you can understand these are the common noun. Common noun do not need capital letters. Common noun do not need capital letter. It starts with the small letter. Like you can see, boy, it is in a small letter. Ford, it is in a small letter. Car, a small letter. Dog, it is also in a small letter. So common nouns never begins with the capital letter, but the proper nouns always begins with capital letter. You can see, now I will tell you about the proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper noun have a specific name. A specific name like Ram. Ram cannot be Ravi. Ram cannot be Riya. Ram cannot be any name we can take. Ram cannot be Aryan, like that. Like I will say the name of the place, Jaunpur city. City of Jaunpur, where you are living. Jaunpur cannot be Varanasi, and Varanasi cannot be Jaunpur. So it has a specific name. Jaunpur is Jaunpur. Varanasi is Varanasi. I give name Tommy or Jimmy to the dog. So Jimmy, Tommy, or any name, a specific name that cannot be anyone's other. So it will be the specific name Jimmy. Or Honda City, the car, thing I am giving the name Honda City. So it will be name of the things. And one more important thing, what I told you also before, that proper nouns always begins with the capital letter. You can see Ram, R I have written in capital letter. Jaunpur, J I have written in capital letter. Jimmy, J I have written in capital letter. Honda City I have written in capital letter. So these are the basic knowledge of the common noun and proper nouns. One example I am going to give you, like if I will say player. Player is a common noun. Player is a common noun. But when I gave a name to the player like Sachin Tendulkar, so Sachin Tendulkar will be proper noun, and Sachin Tendulkar, S will be capital, Tendulkar, T will be capital. Let's do one activity. By this also you can understand, like Aryan, it is the name of the person. Aryan cannot be Ram. So Aryan, you can see it is in capital letter also. You can find it like this also, that it is in capital letter, so it will be proper noun. Clock, it can be any clock, so it will be common noun. Bus can be any bus, so it will be common noun. Green, it is a color. Green cannot be blue. Green cannot be red, so green is a specific, so it is a proper noun. Chennai is a city. Chennai cannot be Varanasi. Chennai cannot be Jaunpur. So Chennai is a proper noun. Pencil can be any pencil. So it will be common noun. Scale also can be any scale. So it will be common noun. Actor, any actor it can be. So it will be also common noun. Dog also, this dog, any dog can be. So it will be common noun. When I say Taj Mahal will be only Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal cannot be Red Fort. Taj Mahal cannot be Lotus Temple. So Taj Mahal will be Taj Mahal. Clothes can be any clothes, so it will be common noun. Rajnikant, it is the name of the actor, so Rajnikant is a proper noun. This is the way you can understand what is common noun and proper noun. We will do the exercise later.